You can expect a lot from the 2017 Subaru Impreza. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Subaru's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 152-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.